This old generator's been sitting for years, forgotten, rusted, and long dead. But today, we're bringing it back to life. The rust is deep, the bolts are frozen, and the engine? Well, let's just say it's seen better days. We'll start by tearing it down, piece by piece. Every screw, every panel, roof, everything's coming off. Years of grime and oil buildup need to go. A deep clean gives us a fresh start. Now for the fun part view, rust removal. Nothing like steel shining again under layers of decay. With everything cleaned, it's time to protect it. A fresh coat of paint, and the frame already looks brand new. The heart of the generator needs the most love. We're replacing worn parts and giving it the tune-up it deserves. Now we bring it all together. Everything fits tighter, cleaner, smoother. From rusted junk to running strong to gad, another restoration complete. Thanks for watching.